already 5 p.m. and we're trying to catch up and trying to get some ice cream. We're late. Yeah, she's seeing all the fruits now. Gonna park.
And balimbing.
There's no parking here. Shit. Gonna go to the other side. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna chuck it inside here.
Yeah, because we don't have time. Hey, Kuya Bano. Let's get tropical ice cream, okay?
You don't want to miss the ice cream, right?
Yeah.
I like your headband. I want to get one. So, yeah. Oh, I just farted. Man, you hear that? I just farted. Anyway, ice cream. Engage.
What is that?
Fruits everywhere.
I don't know. Look it.
Ten too, yeah.
That's that sometimes. Sometimes it starts early. I don't know why. I miss this.
What do you miss?
Kuya Bano. Kuya Bano.
There's guyabano here.
Very good.
So yeah, we just came right in time to get some ice cream. And we have guyabano or sour soup. Sour soup?
I don't know.
I don't know. We call it
It's
guyabano.
Kuya Bano.
Guyabano. Anyway, we're gonna eat some ice cream now. The sun is setting. I hope I can find my drone ninja style, but I'll try. I'll see how it goes.
Kayo sobra kahinog pero hinog na. Pero makastay pa siya pila ka days.
But you guys, if you're heading to Cebu, you can try out Bee Farm. Like their ice cream is much more creamier, but I don't know what it is.
This is organic. It has no cream.
But cream is life.
This is just Kuya Bano.
It's not ice cream. It's ice guyabano.
Yeah.
Ice block. That's why it's called an ice block.
Ice drop.
It doesn't have any cream on it. It's an ice block. This one has cream.
No? Really?
They call it ice cream. How do we do our ice cream?
It says no. You're ever
Fresh tropical fruits from our orchard used to make this delicious. Each ring contains 4 unique flavors. Flavors change throughout the day.
Change throughout the day?
But they shouldn't call it ice cream.
Lamig lagi ni. Kani saging?
Wheat cabbage. Wattle seed. Wattle seed.
Masang banana?
Ano yun? Passion fruit ni. Passion fruit. Banana is underneath. Wattle seed. And this is Davidson plum.
Ano yung plum? Yeah. Ako ang Kuya Bano. Lamig ni.
We're first eating. So, siya ako lang masulti pa. Palit mig mangga.
Lata.
Lata siya, lata. Kanang lata, kanang natagak na sa sahuban niya, kanang lata.
Ano, tag-5. Pila na?
Tag-5 pa, $5. Mahal kayo. Yung lata. Tilawi ba? Lata lagi. Lain kayo kanang murag. Kanang murag mukaong kang mangga nga murag kanang nang itom na kay lata. More pa. Ari mo nga rin. Tilawin ninyo.
200 pesos. Pero kanang nanay ito na mangga mo naman ang
Part nagpalit ko kanang atay. Part nagpalit kong mangga nga rin ba? Kanang mangga puree. Mut mangga juice mitawag nila ni. Taya lagi part. Lata. Kanang mangga nga nahulog na sa kahoy. Human nagkanang bunog-bunog ng kilid. Nya ang pungango laay na kayo. Mo gini siya, lata. ang mangga ilang man pangkuaon ibutang nila nga tumurag ka ng kabinet nga murag sana siya tawag nila ripening cage. So ito nila pahinugon. Sus Mariusip mo itong napusta newspaper. Sus lakay laking kay lami. Tilawi na more pa lata lagi ari muguan tilawin ninyo kaingon mo lata. Oh nawa lata lagi lamang lagi tanawa lata. Karambula may gisuwat nga to.
Lagi, per balimbing na sa to, di ba? Kanang
Star fruit. Ingon di ko star apple. Ingon diya balimbing.
Tara
Balimbing? Karambula mo lagi pangahan diya.
Oh.
Syalan ba din yung lugaran ni?
Balimbing.
So man eh. Dagang mga prutas nga ri. Kaya marmang pinas ang weather nga ri. Si Laura perting lipaya kay nakita siya dagang ang prutas. Nay. Tanan na. Mura na siya sa iyang asyenda naglakaw-lakaw taon. Ha? Saan na? Masig kita pili pa doon. Kuya Banong. How's your hacienda doing? I'll get the car. Okay?
You know what this is?
Tambis.
Durian.
Oh, durian.
I know, because I'm from the land of durian.
Paabot mi na bunga ang durian. Ya, wala may bunga.
Hani, parang kakailangan na sa inyo.
So daghan jud ang prutas kanin dapita di ay. Lots of fruits around here. Sarsop, guyabano, sarsop. I don't know, durian. Some people hate durian. I love them. And Laura's just happy to be here. And there's our freaking green car. Anyway, we're heading out now. Try to fly drone. Yeah. We had ice cream there. Let's see if it can focus. Accommodation, and it's so freaking dark in here.